Human rights advocates and family members of victims are celebrating a pair of victories in long campaigns to deport Salvadoran generals accused of U.S.-backed atrocities. On Wednesday, former General Carlos Eugenia Vides Casanova was deported to El Salvador from the United States, ending a 16-year legal battle. In a ruling last month, the Board of Immigration Appeals found there is ample evidence General Vides was complicit in the rape and murder of 4 U.S. churchwomen in 1980, as well as the torture of political prisoners. He's the highest-ranking foreign military leader to be deported under a 2004 law barring human rights violators from U.S. soil. Vides was a close U.S. government ally during his stint as defense minister for the Salvadoran junta between 1983 and 1989. The churchwomen's families have fought for years to hold him and other U.S.-backed Salvadoran officials responsible. The deportation of General Vides comes as the U.S. government has moved to deport another Salvadoran general wanted in Spain. A UN inquiry has named Inocente Orlando Montano as among the top military officials who approved the murder plot that led to the 1989 slaying of 6 Jesuit priests, their housekeeper and the housekeeper's daughter. The Jesuits had been outspoken advocates for the poor and critics of human rights abuses committed by the U.S.-backed Arena government. Montano lived in Boston for about a decade before being arrested in 2011. He was sentenced in 2013 on charges of immigration fraud for lying about his background. Prosecutors say he came to the United States in part to avoid being brought to justice for the Jesuits' murders. He's among 20 Salvadoran officials who've been indicted by a Spanish court.